Matt. Sorry it's been so long since my last video, but I've been really busy with our new clothing brand, as you can see. I'll put a link down below so you can just have a look at it. I'm not going to bore you with any details at this point. It's called High End Apparel, and we'll move on with what we're going to do. Today, we're going to do something really simple. Soft boiled eggs. That's Egbert. Pick him out. He's been sitting out for probably an hour. He's been sitting out at room temperature, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 eggs. I'm going to do one at room temperature, the other one straight out of the fridge, and we're going to soft boil them. You know, when it's all gooey, you can dip your little bits of toast in it and stuff like that. So what we'll do is we'll get on to it. We've got 2 eggs, a little scooper tooper, scooper tooper. I nearly said the wrong thing then. Scooper. Couple of egg cups. Boiling water, which we've got on the go here already. And I'll grab the other egg out of the fridge. There it is. Similar size, as you can see. Sorry, missed Egbert's face. There you go. Come with me and we'll boil them up. There's our boiling water. There's Egbert. So now the secret to this, okay, this is the way I do it. It's not gospel, but this is how I do it, and you know what this show is called, Cooking Without a Clue. So what we do is we take the eggs, we check our microwave, or your watch, or your egg timer, whatever, clock on the wall. Anyway, watch the clock. When that ticks over to the next minute, drop your bad boys into the water. Watch it for 3 minutes exactly. There it goes. They're in. There we go. Pull these guys out. Here's your 2 guys here. Egbert. Egbert's half brother. There they are. They've been in there for 3 minutes, both of them. Now it depends how you like your eggs. Egbert's going to be cooked a little bit more than Egbert's half brother, half egg. Anyway, we'll cut them open and we'll have a look at the difference. Poor old Egbert. That's Egbert. Alright. Excuse the mess on the plate. Look at that. Which way do you like it better? Now the difference, right, so if you have a look at Egbert, he's pretty much white all the way through, right? Look at this guy here. He look cooked more, but he's not. He's cooked pretty rare there. Now both these guys have been cooked for 3 minutes. I'll eat them both ways, you know, each to their own. But Egbert has been sitting out at room temperature, 3 minutes, bang on. That's about perfection there for a soft boiled egg. Okay people, so there you have it. Egbert out for about half an hour minimum. Leave it at room temperature, 3 minutes, flat out boiling. Take it off, you get perfection. The other guy came straight out of the fridge for 3 minutes. Still quite runny on the inside. Sylvester Stallone had loved that in Rocky. You know how he was eating raw eggs. Beautiful. A little bit of salt and pepper. Haven't got much pepper left. Pepper there, pepper there. There we go. A little bit of salt. Your little soldier toasts. Grab that guy. Put it in the perfect egg. Look at that. There you go. And in you go. Excellent. Excellent, beautiful. Grab another piece just in case you're sharing. Dip it in the other guy. You know what, they taste the same. So try that. Remember, out of the fridge, room temperature, straight from the fridge. Enjoy what you do, enjoy what you eat. Tune in for the next show. and I'm sorry it took so long to get back to you. Catch you later.